English learner, I love that you want to improve your English speaking. Most people practice in the wrong way and never see real results. But today, I'll share a simple and powerful trick that will help you speak better and more confidently. It's called the 5-minute reflection trick, and it's the same method I've used to go from being unsure about my speaking to feeling confident in any situation. Step number 1 is record a 5-minute video. Just speak for 5 minutes on any topic, but don't watch it the same day. Why? Because when you watch it immediately, you focus too much on small mistakes and don't see the real areas for improvement. Step number 2 is listen without watching. You gotta do it next day. The next day, only listen to your recording, don't watch. Focus on your voice. Do you sound clear? Are you speaking too fast or too slow? Are you using too many filler words like us? This will help you understand your voice and tone better. Step number 3 is watch without sound now. Mute the video and just watch yourself. Are your hand movements natural? Are your facial expressions too much or too little? Do you look confident? This will help you improve your body language and look more confident when you speak. Step number 4 is write down everything you said. Transcribe, write down your whole recording including ahs and ums. Which words are extra and should be removed? Where can you make your message clearer? This will help you speak more clearly and confidently next time. Try this trick and you'll see a big difference in your speaking. And if you don't want to waste another year struggling with English, let's talk right away. Click on the link below to book a free call with me. I'll help you improve step by step.